Alright, YouTube. Bears in the Packers play today. Got my Bears gear on. Alright. Back with another video. I started it up and pulled it out for y'all already, but I'm just letting y'all know, all those guys out there in YouTube land that got Holley EFI snipers as a carburetor. Just letting y'all know that it is running fine. I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Yeah, I need a paint job, man. The guy screwed up my paint. So I'm gonna let y'all know. Let y'all see that it's running fine, and that exhaust flange was the issue that was throwing my air fuel ratio off. So let me start it up for y'all. Yeah, I done got it all dirty, man, working on this thing. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And I also got some aluminum polish cleaner for this. This thing is all, it's all messed up. So I went to AutoZone and got this right here. This Mother's Mags aluminum polish cleaner. So that's what we're gonna do today. That's the objective for today, and to wipe this interior down. So okay, now let's get this out the way. This ultra leather is supposed to be tough, so I ain't really worried about it. I can just wipe it down. That's what dentists and stuff, they use this in their chairs, and be a lot of butts sitting in their chairs. So let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Okay. Y'all hear that? Let's see what's going on. Y'all can see the air fuel ratio is over here. It's at normal range. Everything seems to be working properly. So, don't have to worry about that no more. And look at all these fingerprints on my car. Running good, y'all. With all new wires, spark plugs. What I need now is to put my brake booster on, because I get tired of trying to pump my brakes to stop. So that'll be the next thing that I do. Get that done. I got the brake booster. I don't know what, I'm trying to figure out what else I need to. Brake booster in here somewhere. What the hell I do with the damn brake booster? Oh, here we go. I gotta clean the garage out, man. I've been working on it all this time. Yeah, I got a brand new brake booster. I gotta put on this bad boy. Bam, there you go. Brake booster, brand new. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me put it out in the sun. Yep, there it is. Brand new, never used. That bad boy breathing, man. Breathing good now. Spitting out that water. Got water spitting out here now. I don't know if y'all can see it. There. Water. Water. Water now here. So I was running before I put the EFI sniper on it. It still smells rich to me, but you know what I'm saying, on a computer, so I'm cool with that. So I'm about to wipe this car down, do what I gotta do before my son get off the bus. I only got like 2.5 hours to do what I gotta do. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got this mother's power cone. I'm gonna use this for the Ruchis. Get you, you know the rest. Ruchi get you coochie. I'm polishing this right now, man. I washed it and it was like water spots all over it. So I'm letting this sit a little bit, kind of polish that up. I don't know if I'm gonna use that cone or not to do that, but see if I can get y'all some good footage of that. Let's see. Anyway, y'all see how it look in the sun right now. You're gonna let that sit on there for a little while. Kind of try to polish that up. All right, y'all, after these messages.